Tuesday, July 21st, and still a little hot and humid around here, and we'll check in with Dad and see what these guys have been up to.
New U-bolts.
Oh, the new U-bolts are in. Good. Okay. Hopefully that all sticks and there's not an issue when you guys are ready to roll out. And then got the big fan on in the shop to keep it cool. Aidan is just finished siliconing the one piece of insulation there, and he's just sticking it in now. And that is so that they can finish off the end right there. And they got to hold it into place to make sure it sticks. So I probably showed up at exactly the wrong time, and but there looks like they're going to use one of these twigs to hold it up again or something. But that's what that big pile of twigs was yesterday. They caught it on Aidan's video there before. So he's going to hold that in place for the time being. And it looks like they cut some wood there for the panels for the seats, or for on the wheel wells. And it's not as sticky as we thought it might be. So what do you think, Aidan? I liked your videos.
Oh, yeah.
We incorporated some of Aidan's videos into yesterday's video, but this is always a sticky time here to try and get all this into place. How was his mood today? Cranky or normal?
I had to crack the whip a couple times.
Oh, okay, good.
He's trying to do some shortcutting.
Oh, yeah, we can't let him do that.
When it comes time to this stuff,
Yeah.
I'm in charge.
Okay, so if you can notice, they got the wood in place as well. And you're going to paint this yet, right?
Yeah, we're going to take it out and sand everything.
Okay.
Knock all the rough corners off and then paint it white. There's the piece that goes on the back of the firewall.
Okay, there you go.
And I just have to cut out the middle part for the floor. It's going to be split in two pieces so you can...
So we're going to use wood then for sure?
Yep.
Okay. So, and then you've got the diff plates in there. Everything's already siliconed in. And we've seen those where they're wide open and the snow coming in, but this is nice and sealed. Really hope these U-bolts take, because sometimes they get loose. But I pointed out yesterday, or Dad pointed out yesterday, how this those plates underneath it, got bent. It's because the diff was actually held into place by a chunk of tree trunk or something like that. And it's not the current owner's fault it was like that. It was the previous owner who did this and then sold it to our current owner. So progressing along, getting this done, and they're using nature here to help with the curing process by using the elasticity of the willows to hold everything into place. So that's why they got all those there. They were, you noticed on Aidan's video there the other day, he had it holding everything up and it worked really well for them. So Dad's just cutting that. And but yeah, a bit of a mess with the wood chips in the shop here right now, but it's to be expected when you're doing all the wood cutting. And also got to tackle these jobs per the weather. Don't want these guys getting played out in the humidity, and they would have had the doors closed here all day just to kind of keep in the cool air. So there you go, guys. It's insulation day, and getting it cured into place by holding it into place with willows. Never would have thought of that myself, but they're making it work. And I don't know if Dad's worked on the tires yet with the tubes or not. I think he was retubing everything, and so we'll find out on that, but they're busy right now. So yeah, other than that, old Charles is eating his treats, and Emily's outside, and I'll go check on her. But just another busy, productive day in the shop, and we're gonna have a new dog here soon. And maybe I'll take a video here tonight and put it at the end of the video. Got a little Yorkie for Dad, and she's just cute as a button. She's about a pound and a half, and she's already bossy. And she's following Dad around. He just hasn't brought her out to the shop for full time. Cat's in love with the new little dog. Charlie's got to fall in love with the new dog though. And then Emily doesn't know quite what to do with the little dog, so it's going to be a good introduction when we start getting the little dog out of her. Her name is Squirty, and she's a Yorkie, but she's already pretty bossy, so she'll fit in perfectly at the shop. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. We'll check in you on the next video. Oh, before I forget, just want to say thanks again to everybody that comments. You know, not everybody comments every day, but we do appreciate you guys commenting and asking questions. You get some new commenters here in the last couple of weeks, but you know, Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy and Jeffrey Anderson and my Auntie Joyce, she likes to comment. Apparently you can hype the video if you're watching this on your cell phone. There's a little feature called Hype the Video. Would appreciate that. Helps get us out to the more people. And Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson again, of course. And Charlie, everybody say hi to Charlie. And yeah, so appreciate all the comments, guys. I know it's a kind of a slow period here in the summer. Everybody watching, you old prick, hello. And but we're gonna keep on doing 3 videos a week, you guys, until the fall time, where we'll probably step it up some more. Okay, we'll check you guys out on the next video. My Filipino Emily with her end of day treats. Just loves this time of day. Did you eat all your treats, you old prick? You did? Did you need some more? I'll get you some more.